Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you guys how to make my favorite Mexican breakfast sandwich. In case you guys want to know how to make this super easy and delicious recipe, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so let's get started with our ingredients. So for the recipe we're going to need English muffins, pre-cooked beans, chorizo, ham, eggs, 4 roma tomatoes, 3 minced garlic cloves, 1 onion, chile serranos, tomato sauce, avocados, cilantro, and all of our spices that I will link in the description box. So these are ingredients. Now let's get started. Okay guys, so we're going to begin by making our ranchero sauce. So we're going to grab our pan, we're going to set it on medium-high heat. And to that we're going to add a little bit of oil. So we're just going to wait for the oil to heat up. Okay, so once our oil gets hot, we're going to throw in our onion and chile serrano. I'm using 3 chile serranos, but of course it's all going to depend on how spicy you want your salsa. And now we're just going to cook them for a couple minutes. Okay, so after 2 minutes, we're going to throw in our chopped tomatoes and minced garlic. And we're just going to continue cooking for another 2 minutes. Okay, so after 2 minutes, we're going to add our ground cumin, oregano, garlic, salt, and black pepper. Along with our tomato sauce and 1/4 cup of water. Okay, so we're going to add our 2 bay leaves. Just mix it. And we're just going to bring it to a simmer. Okay, so once it comes to a simmer, we're going to add our chopped cilantro. And now we're going to reduce the heat to low. Cover it and let that cook for 5 minutes. Alright guys, so after 5 minutes, our salsa is done. So just mix it. Okay, so just mix it. And at this point, just try it for salt. And for me, it's perfect. So now we're just going to cover it and put it to the side. Okay, so now we're going to fry our beans. So we're going to grab our pan. I'm going to add a little bit of oil. And I'm just going to wait for the oil to heat up. Okay, so once the oil is hot, we're going to throw in our chorizo. And now we're just going to break it down and cook it. Okay, so once we break down our chorizo, we're going to throw in our beans. And I have 2.5 cups. Just going to mix it together. So I'm going to give it a couple minutes before I add some bean broth. Just kind of mix it together. Okay, so my beans are fresh, so I don't have to heat them up too long. So now I'm just going to add 1 cup of the broth. And we're going to break them down. Okay, so just mash down your beans to your liking. So now we're going to add 1 tablespoon of flour. Mix it together. Okay, so now we're just going to bring it to a simmer. Okay, so once our beans come to a simmer, we're going to reduce it to low heat and we're going to allow them to simmer for 5 minutes. Okay guys, so after 5 minutes, our beans are done. So now we're just going to set them to the side and now we can make our eggs. Okay guys, so to make our eggs, we're going to grab our small frying pan. We're going to set it on medium heat and we're going to add a little bit of oil. And we're just going to wait for the oil to heat up. Okay guys, and once the oil is hot, we're going to throw in our egg. And of course, just fry it to your liking. And at the same time, I'm going to preheat my ham and my bread. Just going to butter it down. I'm just going to toast my bread. And I'm just going to add a little bit of black pepper to my egg. I'm not going to add salt just because the salsa already has salt, so you don't want to have a salty sandwich. And just fry your egg. Okay, and once our egg is cooked to our liking, we're going to remove it from the oil. And we're just going to repeat the same process to the rest of our eggs. Okay, so once we have our bread and ham ready, now we can get ready for the fun part. Alrighty guys, and now for the fun part, making our sandwich. So we're going to grab the bottom of our bread and we're just going to spread it with our beans. And you add as much as you want. So just spread them. And I'm going to add some queso fresco. Going to add my ham. And I'm also going to add bacon. we're going to add our egg. Top it with our salsa. Going to add my avocado. Going to add a little bit more queso fresco. And now we're just going to close it and we can enjoy. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you guys that this is seriously everything that you want in a sandwich. It's seriously super easy to make, so I hope you give them a try and enjoy them just as much. Cheers and enjoy. Seriously, the best. Everything is perfect. The salsa, the beans, the egg, the bacon, everything is just the best combination. Alrighty guys, and there you have it on how I make my favorite Mexican breakfast sandwich. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you recreate this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.